Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best stainless steel beater is probably one of the most essential attachments for your KitchenAid stand mixer. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this beater can significantly improve your mixing experience. From whipping cream to creaming butter and sugar, it handles a wide range of tasks with ease. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this stainless steel beater could be a game changer in your kitchen. Number 5. AMI Parts K45B Stainless Steel Flat Beater. This stainless steel flat beater is designed to replace your kitchen mixer attachment. It's made of high-quality stainless steel and is easy to clean. Make sure to double-check the size before you buy it. The K45B flat beater is made from 100% stainless steel. The polished mirror surface prevents oxidation. You can even put it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. This beater works with most top-name brand mixers. If you're unsure if it fits your mixer, feel free to ask us in the customer questions section. We're happy to help you find the right part. The K45B is compatible with various models, including K45, K45SS, and many more. It's designed to fit your 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl tilt-head stand mixer. Quality is our top priority. Every product is carefully designed and produced. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are here to assist you. What we like. This flat beater is made of stainless steel, which is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. It's also compatible with a wide range of KitchenAid models. If you are looking for a durable and easy to maintain beater, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Stainless steel flat beater K45B kitchen mixer aid paddle for 4.5 quart. Great product. It's a bit heavier than the original painted aluminum beater, but it is so clean and shiny. Works perfectly with my mixer. Heavy-duty stainless makes mixing effortless. Number 4. AMI Parts 3-Piece Stand Mixer Repair Set. This is a 3-piece stand mixer repair set from AMI Parts. These replacement parts are made of stainless steel with an anti-stick nylon coating for durability. They are designed to fit most tilt-head stand mixers. The set includes a dough hook, a wire whip, and a flat beater. The dough hook is perfect for kneading dough, saving you time and effort. The wire whip quickly incorporates air into ingredients for fluffy results. The K45WW wire whip is designed to create fluffy whipped cream and perfectly mixed frostings. It fits various KitchenAid models. This attachment will help you achieve the perfect consistency every time. The stainless steel C-dough hook, K45DH, effortlessly mixes and kneads yeast dough. It fits several KitchenAid models, making your baking easier. This tool will become a staple in your kitchen. The K45B stainless steel flat beater is ideal for mashing potatoes and mixing batters. It fits specific KitchenAid models. This beater ensures thorough mixing for all your recipes. These parts work with most top-name brands. To install, align the pin on the mixer shaft with the notch on the accessory. Then, turn the attachment counterclockwise until secure. Enjoy using these new attachments. What we like. This set includes a dough hook and a wire whip, in addition to the flat beater, offering a complete solution for various mixing needs. The anti-stick coating ensures easy cleaning and prevents food from sticking. If you are looking for a versatile set to handle all your baking tasks, this is the perfect option. What people say. Very strong and well designed for my KitchenAid mixer. Great replacements. Still using 3 years later with no chipping. Good price. Nice quality. Easy to clean. Heavy and sturdy. Work very well. Number 3. HOZODO Stainless Steel Beater for KitchenAid Mixer. This stainless steel paddle attachment is designed for KitchenAid stand mixers with 4.5 to 5 quart bowls. It fits models like K45SS, KSM75, and KSM150. Before purchasing, make sure it's compatible with your tilt-head stand mixer. These beaters are made of polished stainless steel, offering a safer and tougher alternative to painted beaters. They are more durable than plastic or aluminum blades. If the beater touches the bowl, contact our service team. The safety buckle and circular head structure ensure stable mixing. The sturdy stainless steel frame is built for heavy-duty mixing, resulting in richer and thicker mixtures. It helps you make delicious pastries, pasta, bread, cake, and cookie dough. This is a more rugged alternative to the original beater. It's dishwasher safe and features a polished mirror surface, making it easy to clean. It's designed to avoid touching the bowl for long-term use. Enjoy a 12-month warranty from the date you receive the mixer beater attachment. If you're not satisfied with the item, please contact the HOZODO service team for assistance. What we like. This beater is made of polished stainless steel, ensuring no paint coating will chip off. It's also designed for heavy mixing jobs, resulting in richer and thicker mixes. If you like a beater that is both safe and durable, this one is a great choice. What people say. It's sturdy, heavy, and best of all won't flake LOL. Works amazingly. A stainless steel beater goes in the dishwasher, and lazy me gets to not have to hand wash or file down my beater anymore. Yay! Maybe a bit pricey for that bit of laziness, but it was a splurge I was happy to make. I love the stainless steel. My enamel ones have chipped over time and I'm always scared bits will get into food. This one is a great alternative so that there's no worry of that happening. Number 2. Stainless steel paddle for KitchenAid bowl lift mixers. This premium stainless steel paddle is designed for KitchenAid bowl lift mixers. It's a durable and rust-proof replacement, ensuring no more flaking or chipping. This paddle is compatible with various 5QT and 6QT KitchenAid bowl lift models. It's a great replacement for models like KN256CBT. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this paddle is built to last. The cross-shaped design ensures faster and more even mixing. Whether you're making cake batter, cookie dough, or pancake batter, this paddle is perfect. It helps you achieve the perfect consistency every time. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. You can also easily hand wash it for quick cleanup. What we like. This flat beater is specifically designed for bowl lift mixers, offering a perfect fit and optimal performance. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and eliminates the risk of flaking or chipping. If you have a bowl lift mixer and need a reliable beater, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect replacement for original KitchenAid beater for my K5SS. Anyone who uses their mixer a lot knows that sooner or later the paint peels off the bottom of the flat beater and then it has to be replaced. With no paint and a smooth stainless steel surface, this beater is a much better solution. I love that it's stainless steel, food and dishwasher safe. Seems very well made. Bought to replace the original beater whose enamel started to chip off. Finish is very nice and polished. Number 1. KitchenAid KSM5THF-BSS Flat Beater. This is the KitchenAid Flat Beater, an essential accessory for your stand mixer. It's designed to make your mixing tasks easier and more efficient. Made of stainless steel, it's built to last. You can count on it for long-lasting performance in your kitchen. Cleaning up is a breeze. This flat beater is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after each use. Whether you're making biscuits, mashed potatoes, or pie crust, it handles a variety of mixtures with ease. This flat beater is perfect for mixing all of your mixtures, even the heavier ones. It will help you achieve the perfect consistency every time. What we like. This flat beater is built for long-lasting durability, ensuring it can handle all your mixing needs. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you like making heavier mixtures like biscuits or mashed potatoes, this is a great choice. What people say. They are heavy and solid, and no chipping. This stainless steel beater does not chip and does a great job. No coating to wear off, no risk of flakes in food, and it feels solid and well balanced. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.